Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Bolani O's Mines of SAIL RSP sets new benchmark in single day production. Students of SAIL RSP School celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by dressing up like iconic freedom fighters. And workshop on numerical and microprocessor based relay held at CPTI. And now the news in detail. Bolani O's Mines BOM, belonging to Odisha Group of Mines of Rourkela Steel Plant RSP, has set a new single day production record by producing a total lumps and fines of 28,617 tons on 23rd August 2021. The previous best for single day production of the mines was 27,393 tons, achieved on 17th February 2020. The team Bolani also clocked the best figures in single day departmental production by producing 20,570 tons of lumps and fines on the same day. Notably, BOM had registered best monthly production in July 2021 by producing 6,45,863 tons of run-off mines ROM. It is worth mentioning here that Bolani Ore Mines had commenced operation in 1960. BOM was a captive iron ore mine under Raw Materials Division of SAIL till June 2021 with an approved capacity of 12.0 million tons per annum MPTA ROM. The mines became part of Odisha Group of Mines of SAIL RSP from July 2021. The iron ore mining activity is now being modernized for production capacity enhancement through various projects to the level of 10 MTPA. Students of primary sections of Ispat English Medium School, Sector 18 of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP enthusiastically participated in an online fancy dress competition organized to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The children dressed up in lovely attire representing legendary freedom fighters and leaders of the independence era like Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru and many others. Some children even imitated the style and body language of the great personalities so as to add more authentication to the character. In all, 91 students from class 1 to 5 participated in the event, out of whom 19 were adjudged as winners and given trophies and certificates. All others were presented with a certificate of participation along with a token gift. The event was coordinated by Ms. Sushrita Das, Headmistress IEMS Sector 18 and her team. A workshop on numerical and microprocessor based relay was held at CPTI of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 19th and 20th August. Mr. J.B. Lugun, GM SMS2, presided over the valedictory session and interacted with the participants. In all, 12 employees from Cocovens, Captive Power Plant 1, Cold Rolling Mill, Power Distribution, Raw Material Handling Plan, Steel Melting Shop 2 and Town Engineering Electrical attended the workshop. The program aimed at equipping the employees with the functioning of the numerical and microprocessor based relay used for analyzing power system voltages, currents or other process quantities for the purpose of detection of faults in an electric power system or industrial process system. The different sessions focused on advantages of numerical and microprocessor based relay over classical relay, its architecture, configuration, wiring, diagram, its usage in HV and EHV power system protection, its application in power distribution substation, relay setting for motor protection, its programming and setting, etc. The classroom session was supplemented with a guided visit to MSDS site, 132 kV substation and relay installation. The sessions were conducted by expert faculties from within the plant. The program was coordinated by Mr. P.K. Raut, AGM CPTI. Here is a special announcement. At the end, we would like to bring before the viewers some important tips for preventing dengue. Avoid water accumulation and water loggings in the surrounding areas. Ensure weekly cleaning and drying of water tanks, coolers, refrigerator drip trays, cover water containers and gully traps. Disinfect mosquito breeding areas and use mosquito net to be safe and healthy and make Rourkela a better place to live. With this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Namaskar.